No. No. We'll see. Can you hand me power cable, please?
Oh, yep.
See, you always laugh, like you watch the tech tubers and stuff like that, and they always look so fucking unorganised, right? And you're like, man, you do this professionally, why,
yeah, I mean,
why can't you do, why does this look so, you know what? Maybe it's okay.
Oh, but WikiHow is telling us to install the power supply first.
Wait.
So I guess it doesn't really matter.
Come on. Watch out, no, wait. Sit back.
To be honest, I'm going to trust the other website over WikiHow, because it's WikiHow. It mustn't matter too much.
I mean, I could always bring up the video I watched, put it on silent.
Yeah. I mean, I'm going to keep following the WikiHow tutorial, because that's fun.
Alright, so, the front does need to come off.
Okay. So, now that we've got it open, can we see how this actually comes off?
Remove front panel. Thank you.
Thanks! Wow!
That was so helpful. It literally just says out.
Oh, it does just have flippies on it, so it pulls out with enough force.
Is it actually screwed in?
No, it doesn't. Whoops. Let's see if I changed anything on that. Battery empty. Oh.
Charger's over there, though.
Over where?
This thing.
Ah, cool.
Just plug directly in if you want. Oh, that got hot on that one.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Doesn't
usually, it maybe just doesn't like, it supercharged this from 50 to 100.
Oh, wow. Okay.
You just want to carry it around.
Yeah, it'll do. We're going to have to use the widescreen for now.
That's right. We're not moving fast enough to need a headset, I think.
Well, this is an action cam for action shots.
We can always duct tape this to you.
Yeah, that's true.
That's the other viable option. Just duct tape fixes everything. I can get you a longer cable so you can put it in your pocket.
Maybe. Maybe. I don't know, I'll just strap this to my head as well, it's fine.
Oh, that doesn't sound safe at all. Oh, you're talking. Hold on.
Well, the question is it going to charge? We're going to have to use the audio from that camera then. Yeah, well. Alright. Yeah, is this going to charge faster than it uses power? I should really have tied my hair up. Alright. Strap this on. Alright.
I acquired a long boy for lanky boys.
I think we might be okay. Yeah?
Would you rather put it in your pocket so you can move your head around without worrying about it taken out?
It is actually quite lopsided. Thank you.
Yeah, this seems to say to just pull.
Yeah, I mean, it's not screwed in anywhere that I can see inside. Ah! Bingo bongo.
There was a bit of force involved.
It's always painful.
Yeah, it's got like squishy tab pieces that want to be squished to be pulled. Scaresies.
I want to be squished.
I like squish. Good squish?
Good squish, like between anime lady thighs.
Mmm. Anime ladies. Love for both the big titty and little titty waifus. So you can't discriminate between big and little titty waifus.
Titties is titties.
Equality in titties. Alright, so next thing it says is to do the fun stuff, which is peeling off protective films. They can stay on until I want to put the glass back on.
Okay, we're good. We really just need this for audio, I think.
Well, that's got audio.
I think the closer mic might be better, but we'll find out in post. We can always swap between them.
I'm honestly going to like half-ass the editing.
Okay.
It's just going to be whacked together.
I'm probably not going to edit it all.
Oh, I'm gonna take your SSD. You don't do shit.
Oh, good.
I'm just gonna give you stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Because I don't have anything else to do at the moment.
Or you could just link it. You know, you can upload the video. I'll link it on my channel.
Whatever for this one, yeah. But I've got another thing for you. I've got something for you.
Oh, okay.
I've got something planned for you. I'm just gonna give it to you, and you're gonna upload it.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's concerning.
Yeah. So I'm gonna bring a USB with. Here you go.
I'm not gonna watch it. I'm just gonna upload it.
Trust.
I'm gonna.
Pinky promise. Trust, friends.
I am going to upload it without watching it.
No. Just straight up.
It's just dubbed with me saying obscenities.
All the outtakes from D&D that you don't want the world to know.
I'm just gonna upload it.
Alright, so next it's got like a whole bunch of other things it wants to do really. So I reckon if we get the motherboard out now and start loading it up with stuff.
See, but the WikiHow article says
What does it say?
it says to install the power supply first, but I don't think it really matters.
No, probably not. Plus I need to reinstall my cable.
It'll be fine.
Oh, I can't reach with that. Penis. Next to yours. That's right, everybody. Use all talk online and in the Discord about.
Probably put it on the other side of this leg, so.
Yep. Everyone on the Discord and stuff talks about being Shuckins something or other, Shuckins lover and stuff. I can touch Shuckins.
Don't do that. I haven't had any human contact for like 6 months.
What? But the missus has been busy with uni, mate. It's hard having a smart girlfriend. It's tough. Let's see. See, I get it every weekend, but I'm throwing them out of a pub. So, kind of.
I mean, is that better?
I mean, I'm technically touching people without permission. Legally? Grey area?
It is a bit of a grey area.
Alright, cool. So it wants us to start loading things, basically.
Yeah.
But I think that's about as technical as the case gets, is opening that fucking cover.
Hang on.
Maybe close the back panel. The air.
We gotta be in the circle.
Right.
Okay. It's got markings on it. ATX, micro ATX, RTX.
Yeah, so the standoffs are welded in? Yeah. They're all punched in. Yeah, so that should be easy. Alright, so, you a motherboard? You're a motherboard. Ugh. Yar.
Big boy. You can look at the back of that case. Whoa! Whoa! Coupon inside for cables.
What, from like cable mod?
20% off.
Is that cable mod though?
Yeah.
It is cable mod.
Oh.
Fuck yeah. Wish I'd known that a week ago. I would have ordered some.
Oh, actually, it does have inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth stuff. I had to get a couple dongles for mine because I didn't think I'd need them when I built it.
Yeah, I'm too far away from my internet box.
Oh, so am I. I got a Wi-Fi over Ethernet over powered adapter.
Yeah.
They are the worst, but it's better than the Wi-Fi connection.
Yeah, better than going through 10 walls.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna get this big boy out.
Look at those angles. Oh, that's how you know it's. Oh, that does look kind of nice. The back panel, the I/O.
Yeah. See, when you spend more money, the I/O panel comes attached.
Wow.
And gets its own peely thing. And I didn't realise how much metal sticks out the back. This is why you don't touch things when they're powered on. Because that is just all current. And I probably shouldn't touch the back of it either, because now I don't want finger grease on it, because that'll.
I got gloves in my car.
No, I'll just won't touch things.
Yeah.
Hold by this. Cool. So I need to. Is there any more? Can you check in there for anything extra that we need?
Let's see. We got coupons and stuff. These look like driver discs, manual. We don't need
Who the fuck has a fucking CD reader? Is there any cables in it?
People that don't have internet, no cables, but look at it. But those cables will be supplied by the power supply. those boxes.
Wait, that's it, I think. No, there should be a baggie. Screws.
Oh, shit, yeah.
There's definitely something under one of these, one of those cardboard, no, one of these cardboard holes.
Holes. Peel the hole off. Ah, there we go. Yep, cables.
Ah. Yeah, like these little micro fan headers and stuff.
Screws. Yeah, we got some finger screws and some proper screws. Let's see. Oh, this. Alright. So we need those drives. Oh, we got internet. We don't need drive.
No, leave that.
Oh, yep.
Because you have to build on a static-free environment that won't damage the metal bits on the back. Cardboard. Cardboard. So what did I get? Is that another heatsink looking thing? Oh no, is that a Wi-Fi? That's a Wi-Fi adapter.
Sweet.
So I do get a stupid looking fucking antenna. Bolt that off the top like a fucking RC car.
You gotta. The bigger the antenna, and the more antennas there are, the better it is.
I heard that. I did hear that. See, that looks like stator cables.
Yeah.
That's for like 2.5 drives, isn't it?
I think so.
Yeah. I don't have any of them. I just have the NVMe.
I have 2.
Yeah, don't you have like 8 drives in your thing that just
4? 5 now.
Oh yeah, see, they're the standoffs.
Okay.
Like they're the 2 little. I guess they go in the middle. I'm not sure. Maybe instructions.
It has been like 8 or 9 years.
Maybe we should just get the instructions just for what standoffs we need to have installed. Because I don't know what standoffs are ATX required. Because it's. Hold on, we can match it up, I guess. I need 1, 2, 3. They're gonna be they're the bottom. So there should be.
It'll be
3 down the bottom. So there's 1 in the corner and then 2 on this side. Is that what's installed there? Yep. So 1, 2. So because it needs to lock it like this. So and then there should be 1. 1 and 2.
This is the front here.
Yeah. Oh man, that panel's gonna come off to go on. Even like I'm gonna get under there anyway, but it has to go on after we fucking install the thing. Because there's a hole that we need underneath it. So
Flathead, was it?
yeah. So I mean we can do that because we can put the M.2s on.
It is Phillips head.
It'll be the big. They're the big ones, so you probably need to get the real screwdriver in the case.
Which case?
The blue one up the top there. Up, high. There you go. You colorblind?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm just regular blind.
I was gonna say, I'm like, am I telling you blue insensitively?
No, I'm just regular blind.
Okay.
So
I wish I had ordered an iFixit case.
oh yeah.
I also wish I had gotten a Gamers Nexus mod mat because it gives you instructions as well. So
I'm worried this is too big and might strip it.
yeah, that's a pointy one. You need a flatty. You need the wide one, maybe? The next one over. That's pointy. No problem.
Oh yeah, that's definitely gonna strip it. Let's use the small flathead.
I mean, I can get a real flathead. That's another option.
Yeah, it's only for like a little thingy.
But yeah, I'd probably grab all 3 of those little things.
Yeah.
Prepared.
Yeah. Alright, so we got a big Phillips head, smaller Phillips head, and a flat head. I think any of them will work on this.
I'm gonna get a real flathead because these are too small. That's a bit short. I think I'll just twist the center out. I've got a toolbox just over there for like a real screwdriver.
Real screwdriver? What, this isn't a real enough screwdriver?
No, that is one strippy boy.
Oh, these are actually pretty tight. Oh no, there we go. Oh, this is perfect.
Is it?
Yeah.
Looks a bit small. See, some of them are smaller. See, that's a smaller screw.
Ah.
They're different shapes.
Oh no, I got this one too.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a fine screwdriver. It'll do. I'm trying to get decent camera angles of this as well, and it just results in me looking dorky as hell.
It's another tight one. Trying desperately not to strip it. There we go.
Oh wait, there's a reason that one was tighter, because it doesn't actually, it just connects to there.
Are you pulling stuff out that doesn't have to come out? Maybe.
Oh no, it all comes out. Alright, so we gotta keep...
I did vacuum, but I found something that hadn't been vacuumed, and I threw it in here, so now I've got okay.
It's just all dog hair.
That's...
There is no dog.
No. Oh no, it says camera off.
Uh-oh.
You touched something when you...
Fuck. Or is it out of power?
Well, it says it's on.
Uh-oh. That's why we have two cameras!
Well, no, it says it's gone, but it's on 10%. It's probably stopped sending,
Oh, yeah.
sending signal. So it's still recording, it's just this thing's getting on its end of its line. That's right, I got more...
if you can use this long cable, I can use the shorter one and plug it into...
No, I got more batteries, I just have to change the battery over.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll do that now.
We just have to, it'll just be a pause.
Yeah. Alright, I can keep recording on this one.
Yeah. I'll just switch the battery over in.
Ah, it's
Go for it.
Heidi boy. Underneath that other fence, so I did need to take those off.